Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing a UV phone sanitizer by Marnana. I don't know how to pronounce it, but this can clean your phone using UV lights. Here, UVC lights. It has wireless charging and USB charging as well, so it will charge your phone and disinfect it as well. It's pretty cool. So as you can see, wireless charging, automatic disinfection. Says it's integrated with a countdown timer for 15 minutes. It'll automatically stop. Really cool. Safe to use. So on the back it says multifunctioning UV sterilizer. This retails for about $50 on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. Getting into it. So here it is. By Marnana. So it has a protective film on top. Perfect. Alright, so it's like probably a tablet size. It's really big. So here's the button to on and off. 9-volt input, 5-volt output. Wireless charging is 5 volts. So opening it has a nice little mechanism there. Here you have the type A to type C charging cable, which is really cool that it's type C because you'll get really good charge, stable charge as well. A service card, you get 18 months of warranty, which is really good. User manual, which has really good information, clear and nice instructions. So let's go ahead and set this up. Plug in the USB type C port on the right side of the device, and then plug in the type A to a USB port. You have an indicator light on the bottom right, as well as the display panel. So as you can see, if you click the button, it automatically starts it, and they're nice and subtle. This film on top protects you from the UV light, and when you open it, it'll automatically stop. When you close it, it'll resume to where it was. If you click that, it'll turn it off completely, which is really cool. So let's get a device here. Alright, so this doesn't just work with devices. You can use anything that fits in here. You can sterilize your gloves if you wanted to, your mask, anything. We're going to be doing a power bank, and also since it has wireless charging, you can technically put in your earbuds that have wireless charging. That indicator means it's charging, and it is charging. So when you close it, this one doesn't close all the way. So let's see what else. See if this fits. This one fits. So it's able to clean these as well. Technically clean your earbuds. These ones are purposely dirty. So these are white earbuds. You can clean anything. So you just put it in there, press the button, and let it disinfect. And in 15 minutes, just come back and it'll be clean. So I'll go ahead and do that right now. There we go. It'll make a beep and then it'll turn off, which is really cool. So basically when you're sleeping, you can just put it in and your devices will be cleaned. So let's go ahead and turn this on. It didn't get much of the top because this is super big. It reaches like the top of this and it doesn't close all the way. But the sides are clean. Everything else is really clean. Let's check out the earbuds. The earbuds are cleaned. Pretty good on the silicone tips too. I just put some hair on there. But pretty good. Obviously, if I put the earbuds facing the light, then it would have been a little bit better. But it did a really good job. It whitened it. It only took 15 minutes. And also, I recommend if you like have a phone with a dirty case or whatever, put your case in first or put your phone in first. Don't put them together. Clean them both separately and then put them in. It'll help out a lot. So that's really cool. So yeah, it's pretty easy to clean these. Anything in here. Really nice product overall. It's definitely worth $40 for sure. This is the upgraded version, so I recommend it. You can see the little reflectors and stuff. The wireless charging works really well too, I can tell. Said you just put anything in there that fits. It'll clean it really well. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this phone. This in here. And I'll come back in 15 minutes. Okay, it's about to finish, but my phone died. I was trying to record the time lapse, but it died during it, which sucks. But anyways, it's been 14 minutes. It's almost about to finish right now, so let's just wait until it finishes. Alright, it just finished. Let's go ahead and turn this on. Yeah, it disinfected pretty good. Microfiber cloth, and then clean the rest. So yeah, this phone, obviously it won't be crystal clear condition because the phone itself is automatically super dirty and old. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna test it out on my phone and a few other phones. It definitely works though, I can see that. So it helped on the earbuds. I just got to test out a few more things and I'll give you my overall review, which I'm pretty sure it's pretty good so far. And I like that there's a wireless charging pad, so you can just put your phone in there, it'll charge. This isn't a wireless charging device, but you get the gist. It's really good though. Okay, so I just cleaned my phone right now, and one thing, this is not a device to clean fingerprints and just clean your device in general. It's mainly to clean the germs off of it, like a virus or anything else. And I just had some information based on this product. I just looked it up a little bit extra and saw that, yeah, that's what it does. It sterilizes from germs, kills 99.9% of germs. It doesn't clean fingerprints because those are oils. So it doesn't damage the oleophobic coating on your device, so that's why it doesn't remove oil, because it is light. So if you put it in a device, it obviously will not clean the screen like the fingerprints. That's what a microfiber cloth is for. So if you clean your device beforehand, clean it with the microfiber cloth and then put it in here, get it cleaned. You could probably do, I'd say do it like this because you want to clean the screen. The inner dimensions, so this whole thing is 7 inches. Right here is like about 4 inches, almost 4 inches, and then the top to bottom is 7 inches, and then the height is about 1 inch. The external is 9 inches by 4.92 inches, and the height is 1.61 inches. So you can read that. So yeah, I do recommend this product because it does do what it's intended to do. Remove germs from your phone. So if you go outside, go to the grocery store, do whatever you need to do, I highly recommend you to put your phone in here after and then sterilize it and then go wash your hands, or wash your hands, or whatever, however you want to do it. You can wash your hands after, get it, pick up your phone, and it's cleaned. So yeah, that's pretty much what this is for, and I really do like this product. It is a nice weight to it. It has a rubber feet on the bottom, a USB port, Type-C input, 2 LED indicators, a timer indicator with a button, a lid that has a self-automatic cleaning system, so you can close it to resume, open it to pause, so if you needed to go do something real quick. So it is a very good high quality product. It is made out of polycarbonate, but it is a good type because it is not, doesn't feel cheap, you know. It feels a decent quality of plastic. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be moving this somewhere near my not near my bed, but like in a good area. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys next one.